Hello guys, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. And it is a new episode of Keyapp Academy. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and to get some updates from our service. Also, if you like this episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to create even more video content for you. So, in today's episode, we would like to discuss one of the most important things in mobile apps marketing, and we will talk about app reputation. First of all, it is needed to find out what app reputation is. So when you go to any app page in your mobile device, I do this in web version to show what I mean. The first things you will see about app reputation are app rating and app reviews. So basically, app reputation is a combination of app overall rating and app reviews. If we are talking about rating, it is the stars which your application gets from your users. The stars may be from 1, what is the worst, to 5, what is the best. And after this, Google algorithm calculates the amount of stars the application gets and shows the average number. If we are talking about reviews are the feedbacks which your application gets from your organic users. It is needed to mention that reviews cannot be left without installation and without rating. So when your application gets a review, it gets a rating as well. If we are talking about grouping, it is the same both for Google Play and for App Store. The rating the application has is grouped according to the region. So for example, application could have the rating of 4.1 in the US and can have the rating 4.4 in Canada. So the overall app rating is different in different countries and it is applied both for Google Play and for App Store. If we are talking about reviews, they are grouped according to the region as well. For App Store, the only factor is region. So if you are living in the US, you go to App Store, to any application, you will see the reviews which were left by users who live in the US as well. But if we are talking about Google, the situation is a little bit different. The reviews are grouped according to the region as well, but also the device language influences. So let's imagine that you are living in the US and you have English as a device language. So when you go to any app page, you will see the reviews which were left also by users who live in the US and who have English as a device language. Like either example, Canada. Different users have different device languages. Some may have English, some may have French. So if you have French, you will see the reviews of the users who also have French as a device language, although they live in Canada. The next question you may have is how to check the reviews and rating application has. So if you're an app developer, all this information can be checked in your Google Play Developer Console. So you just log in and go to the section Quality where you see rating and reviews. They are divided in different sections, both ratings. So let's talk about this one. Here you may see the rating, the lifetime average rating, and the amount of users who left the rating for the app. Here you can see different graphics as well of the rating change, so you can follow how the overall app rating was changed during the particular period. Here you can see how many stars of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the application gets daily. And finally, you can check which app rating the application has in different countries. If to talk about the reviews, you go to the section Reviews and all the feedback mentioned here. So you can add, first of all, the period, then you can add different filters. For example, you can filter by country, let's say Australia. Here it is. And you will see the reviews which were left by users who are in Australia. Here you may see that the name of the user is mentioned, the date of the review, device language, Android version, and so on. So at this stage, we may see that it is also possible to reply the review. This function is available both for Google Play and for App Store in App Store Connect. So for any review, the app developer can leave a reply. At this stage, I would like to mention that it is extremely important to work with reviews and leave a reply to all the reviews the application has, both to positive one and to negative one. For positive reviews, you can just thank for the feedback that you are happy that your application is used, that the game is played. But for negative reviews, it is important to show that you hear the users and you are ready to fix all the issues they face during using the app. Also, it is possible, for example, if there were some bugs, you can fix them and then already reply to a review about this problem just to show that you are ready to fix all the problem the application has. It is important because this shows that you're ready to work with app, and this increases the user loyalty, so the app reputation is getting higher. And here is the next question which you may have: how to check the application reviews if you are not app developer or you do not have an access to Google Developer Console at this moment. Basically, nowadays there are a lot of different App Store optimization and analytical services which can help you to check the reviews. Of course, you can go to Google Play, for example, in the web version, set another country and check the review there. But also you can use the service. Personally, I prefer Data I, and here you can just look for the app, choose the device language for Google Play, because as we remember, it is important for reviews grouping on Google Play, or just the country if we choose the App Store. And then we see the reviews the application got within the particular period of time. I would also like to mention that in our blog we have different articles, and a lot of them are connected with app reputation and with the work of reviews, where you can get the information how to reply the reviews, how to increase the app rating, and how to build this brand reputation and user loyalty to help your application to get more organic downloads. Because we remember that it is important to work with app reputation because it influences the conversion rate a lot. A lot of developers, for example, think that app reviews, app rating aren't checked before the user downloads the app. But according to the statistics provided by different services like StoreMe, it is not true, and reviews and rating influence the conversion rate from view to install a lot. In some of the previous videos, we have discussed how to set the campaign for the reviews at our platform, and I would like to remember that it is possible to order reviews, positive reviews for application at our platform, with the aim to increase the amount of positive feedback the application has, and of course with the aim to increase the app overall rating. It is important here to mention that the country should be chosen, as both Google and Apple show the reviews according to the countries. So basically, there are different ways to get the reviews for your application. For example, some emails where you ask your users to leave the reviews, or for example, some functions in the app, but just please read the guideline before adding such functions to application, because some pop-ups, etc., may be forbidden by the store policy. And of course, one of the most workable variants is to order the reviews, which will be published for application fast and effective, and the application will get the increase in rating as well. So, in this Keyapp Academy episode, we have discussed how to work with app reputation, and we would like to recommend the main steps with working of app reputation. First of all, it is needed to follow all the changes in rating the application has in different countries. Also, it is needed to follow all the reviews because your users may say you about some issues, some bugs, and problems in the app. Also, do not forget to answer the reviews, both positive and negative. Remember that it is possible to do in your Google Play Developer Console or in App Store Connect. And of course, if you have some issues with app reputation or you need some more details, some more information, please contact your personal manager or our support team, and we will be ready and happy to assist with all the questions you have, and we will be happy to help you to get more positive reviews and higher rating for application. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.